Hi, car friends. Today we're going to go over belts and hoses. Belts connect all of the pulleys of the accessory drive system, which transfers all that rotating force of your crankshaft pulley to the alternator, the water pump, the power steering pump, and other systems. And also hoses. They transfer all the fluids throughout your engine. Over time, these belts and hoses wear down from the heat and cold in constant use. So they turn brittle, they crack, and they eventually break. The Serpentine Belt rides in a series of pulleys on the front of your engine and is key for running multiple devices on your car, like the alternator, the water pump, the power steering pump, and the air conditioning. If it breaks while you're driving, you will lose all of those components, and the car will overheat. So you're gonna wanna inspect these belts for cracks or fraying, or if it has any fluids on it, and all of these can cause the belt to slip or it even can break. So that's no good. That's not good at all. The belt tensioner does just that. It maintains the tension on your belt. A weak belt tensioner will cause premature belt wear, or the belt can derail. A tight or sticking belt tensioner will cause wear on the other accessory bearings and kind of turn. A failed tensioner will cause the same problem as a broken belt. Nothing's going to run. With the belt off, rotate the tensioner through its arc of travel. It should run smoothly and provide firm tension. But if you spin the pulley and listen to any grinding, the pulley should be smooth and have no play from side to side. Also check the other accessory pulleys for proper alignment and smooth rotation. If there's any roughness or noise it's detected, replace it. When in doubt, switch it out, just to be safe. The timing belt controls the mechanical timing of your engine. If a timing belt breaks, it messes up all the timing of your car, and it means that piston's gonna come in contact with all those valves that are stuck open, which means that engine is toast after that. When inspecting your timing belt, take the time to check the cam and the crank seals for the leaks. All the timing belts have manufacturer-recommended replacement intervals, but if you're unsure when the belt was last replaced, I recommend you change it. Now let's talk about hoses. I have a perfect example right here. Radiator hoses and heater hoses circulate all the coolant through your engine and the radiator to expel heat. Most hoses are made of rubber and will break down over time, so it's important to inspect your hoses for any swelling or bulging or leaks. When the engine is cool, squeeze the hoses and feel for any kind of hard spots or soft spots. If they feel funky, again, when in doubt, switch it out. Check the hose clamps for damage or loose and loss of tension. Like right here, I would replace these as well. You don't want one to pop off while your engine's hot. That would be no fun. If a hose were to fail, the engine could overheat and cause some serious damage. And that's it for our belts and hoses. A simple check and a replacement can help you in the long run. Watch more videos on tune-ups and car care on our channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.